crazy memories in this apartment. Good, and then bad, and then very bad. It's already a disaster. I put the couch here for now. Welcome back to my channel. Today is moving day and my life is already a disaster. The movers are on their way. I pulled some things out in preparation for the move. I just feel so underprepared and stressed. I want to scream and cry. We're already making a dent in the closet. This really small, shitty closet. But look at that. We just have a stacked mini pile now. Why do I look like a little Sims character glitching? And also, why am I not built for manual labor? I was literally sweating just putting these clothes in boxes. What the hell? So we're packing and shipping away here. Things are moving pretty fast. The hallway's already gone. The moving process has officially started. It is a absolute mess in my apartment right now. We're making way and I'm already sweating. Anyways, a shout out to North Star Movers for helping me with this move today. I appreciate you guys so much. I used North Star last time I moved. They're super awesome and really fast and efficient. My favorite part of moving is these boxes that can easily just hold all your clothes. Luckily, I have these hangers, which I have like 5 things on, and they fit perfectly in here. I don't think you guys understand how hard it was to get clothes out of this like rabbit-sized closet. This didn't even deserve to be called a closet. Let's be real. She is finished. She's empty. Living room is looking good. I'm just waiting for all of the furniture and all the boxes to load up in the truck. All right, everyone, quick little update on the process. The furniture is quickly leaving. Just my vanity and bed. That's basically it. Everything else is already on the way down. All right, everyone, I can't believe how weird it feels empty. I have had so many crazy memories in this apartment. Good, and then bad, and then very bad. But it's definitely a start of a new era. Literally, almost everything is gone. Just the island is left and a few boxes. This is kind of sad. I don't know why, but moving is kind of a sad experience. But we are moving to a bigger and better place, so that's exciting. Let me share with you guys the noise that has been triggering me this whole time. I'm gonna give you guys the full experience so you know why I had to move. So this is what it sounds like 24 hours a day. Hopefully you guys can hear the fan too. So that is the fan that directly blows smoke right into my unit. Thank you very much. Thank you so much to this Japanese restaurant for building this machine without permits. All right, you guys, so now imagine if I vlog this way with the windows open. Like a normal person, you guys would hear all of this. So that's why I haven't posted a lot of vlogs the last 7 to 8 months. It's because of that, but luckily we are moving now. Mental health already improving. Right away. Hello, update time. The move is officially done. Goodbye, Loud House apartment. You served me well. I'm grateful you provided a roof over my head, but it is time for Miss Moving On. But look how empty it is. Well, obviously, there's no furniture in here. What am I even saying? But like, this is so weird. It's like, I feel like I lived here for like 6 months, not like a whole year. But everything is gone. Everything is gone! The room is empty. Everything is empty. I just need to clean and it's ready to go. I think I'm gonna get my deposit back too. There's no holes in the wall or anything. I just need to do like a quick little deep clean. So the movers are taking a quick little 30-minute break and then I am going to head over to my new apartment and I also have to run to the ATM to get them a little tip. I am now in my new apartment. If you guys have not checked out my last video, my empty apartment tour, please check it out if you want all the nooks and crannies. But it's just so gorgeous. I'm just not over how beautiful this apartment is. It's just gonna be so nice to vlog in here and get the good lighting for you guys and, you know, look good for you guys. And especially because I am such a homebody, this is just like makes me so happy. If you guys didn't know, I am a Cancer, and Cancers are so into like being a homebody and homemaking and being cozy, and I feel like I can finally unleash that side of myself in my new home. I'm just waiting for the movers to get here to start putting my furniture in, but it's so beautiful. You guys, I'm screaming. My little like air conditioned unit is Wi-Fi connected, and look what it says. It says your Wi-Fi network girls only could not be found. The person who lived here before me's Wi-Fi name was girls only. That's iconic. All right, you guys, so one of the benefits to my new apartment is it's a lot closer to the things I frequent, like Target, Sephora, Zara, and all these like little shoppies, which means you guys are gonna be getting a lot of Target vlogs, which is a good and bad thing for my bank account. Just went to the bank, secured the tips. They put them in these cute little envelopes for me, which I feel like is so sweet. And also, I'm just not over the statue, you guys. What is this trying to convey here? That was the easiest move of my life. They were so nice and helpful, and I just knew I had to use them again. And also look at this, powered by biodiesel. We love an eco-friendly brand. Again, shout out to North Star. If you guys are moving, they are a great service to use, and you can check them out on their website, northstarmoving.com. All right, you guys, the move is going so well. Pretty much almost everything is in the apartment now, so I'm getting really excited. Also, everything that I own looks really good in here, which is great, so I don't have to like buy a bunch of new furniture. The kitchen island was a great investment. It matches the kitchen perfectly. Already, the lighting is so much better in here. I am so happy I got a south-facing unit, which gets like the most sun possible. I've never had a unit that was south-facing. I have been missing out. I feel inspired to get some plants up in here because I was a pretty good plant mom until Vlogmas happened and I wasn't home for a month and then they all died. I have quite the green thumb. I still have the money tree from when I got my last apartment. She's right over there. Still thriving. All right, you guys, the move is officially over. All my belongings are in my apartment. I'm so happy and I'm so excited. It's so beautiful in here. I'm feeling so grateful and excited. This is obviously the nicest apartment that I have ever lived in. And I just feel so privileged and lucky and grateful to live in such a beautiful home. And obviously, again, I say this so many times, it would not be possible without you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. But let me show you the lay of the land. I put the couch here for now. Unsure. What do you guys think? Should the couch be moved to that wall? I'm thinking if I switch it to that wall, this big piece will be over here. So that could be a vibe. Also, I got this put on the easel stand, but for some reason it's not moving. So the point of the easel stand is when I press a button, it'll literally flip horizontal. So I could watch like TikToks or just have it horizontal artwork. Not sure what's going on, but it still looks cool as a stand just like this. Even if it is broken, I think I still want it. I did bring my old TV stand. I think I might get rid of it just to like clear up this area and just push this back against the wall so it just looks like a piece of art. And then I could make this into a whole gallery wall. But would a gallery wall look better on this wall though? Comment down below. Please let me know your thoughts. I need all the help. And also this beautiful table that Remy got me obviously came with, and it looks so perfect in this apartment. I'm just not over it. It's so stunning. So over here we have the island. I feel like it fits perfectly. I'll have somewhere to also put my artwork, which has been literally sitting in my apartment for God knows how long. That I honestly might get rid of, but I brought it just in case. Have my air purifier going because it was getting a little dusty in here. So if you do hear that, please disregard. I have my crystals up there for now, and I have so many crystals in boxes. I do have this cowhide rug, don't love. Do need rugs, need new rugs. Look how sick this would look with a cozy fuzzy rug here. Would that not be such an awesome cozy vibe? And then, okay, so in my bedroom, we have my vanity here now. I think it looks great here. I do know it's somewhat bad feng shui to have a mirror in front of your bed, but we're just gonna ignore that for now. And you know what? I'll cover it up at night. Anyways, so this is my bed in case you guys haven't seen my bed before. It is so cute. It's like a little cloud bed and my mattress is super comfy too. I don't love that all my bedding is black and my bed is white. I don't know. That's just true to me. But it does stick out in an interesting way. But I do have like a puffy comforter and a quilt. So we'll see what the vibes are. I put the mirror here for now temporarily, not sure what to do with this. I'm thinking of putting it right here in the closet. So when I get ready, which by the way, already started hanging some stuff. When I get ready, I could stand here and show you guys. And obviously over there is a bathroom. And over here in this corner, we have my new desk and gaming chair. And I did get a new desktop, which I will do a little unboxing on video just so I have like a stable editing station besides my laptop. I think this is perfect. Also, I did get a standing desk and I feel like the desk was small enough to fit perfectly in there. I do want to get shelves, of course. Not sure what I want to do with this wall though. I'm considering even potentially putting my frame TV on the stand, but I don't know. I might put it in my room and then put my old TV back on a TV stand. Not sure what to put here. Now I definitely need new nightstands because I just have a lot of space here. I also want like a little meditation area. I thought it was gonna be there, but I ended up just putting the desk here. Just for a visual, that was my old nightstand. Look how small and little it is compared to like how big the room is now. Definitely need to upgrade her. I did find random plushies in my home. Definitely will be donating these or giving them to friends because I just have too many plushies. We'll definitely put Miss Hello Kitty back on the couch. I feel like that's just my ultimate squish. Anyways, you guys, I have to admit, I was anxious all day. My movers, absolutely fantastic. My stress and anxiety, peaking for absolutely no reason. I just think moving is stressful in general. I have not eaten today, so I'm gonna go run over and grab some food. I was just way too anxious to eat. I ended up not even going to Target and just grabbing this sandwich place. So I literally was walking past and I saw it was like firefighter themed, which I love firefighters. So I was like, okay, well, I'm definitely checking that out. And they actually donate some of the proceeds to first responders. All right, everyone, I barely have any light left. It's about to be sunset. If you guys are not subscribed already, now is the best time to subscribe, especially if you love moving content, apartment content. If you love a little sassy vlogger, I'm your cup of tea.